We'll send this puppy. So the only thing I did is just put a 15 tooth pinion on it, and that's it. Woo! Saved it. Yeah, why did I feel way more faster? Woo! Damn, that thing got air. Damn, you can hear that echo. Speaking it, holy God, I'm really impressed with this thing, dude. Really love the Kraton. Oh, and guys, remember, keep it down below with these brand new wing mounts. Here's a new flavor, the black, and also have the black front bumper support. All right, send it. Oh. Damn, guys, and then that's on 4S too. Holy crap. I can't imagine how big this on that thing. Cool. If you guys want in the channel, comment down below. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Ooh. Bro, this thing is tasty. Oh, that's the thing. Flip. Woo! 102 on the ESC.
Wow. And the motor?
127.
Oh, bro, that's nothing.
Alright guys, so just quick update on my parts. Took it like a champ, so I'll put my link down below. Only for the Kraton, the Notorious, and the Outcast. I am working on them, but the Kraton EXP V2 and the V6 must have, dude. I've been beating the hell out of it, and dude, this thing is so strong. Who knows how long I've been driving it like that, but I just noticed it right now. Look, it's like on the edge just to crack off. Look, holy crap. I don't know when it broke and how long has it been, but I mean, it launches good and it jumps good and lands good. So I am gonna print one of those out, same thing as like this one. So yep, but for sure, dude, this thing's such a beast. And then I took a nosedive. I think so. I took a nosedive, and that thing took it like a champ too, which helped it a lot. But I think I am gonna call it a day for this one, just because of this part. I don't want to let it break off and then lose my drive shaft, so I ain't gonna call it a day. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.